tour in the B&B. It's small, but it's cute. Full-length mirror, it's me. Had to get dressed really quick because we are going to the Epic Mixer. Shout out Epic Games. This is my fit. She's cute. But yeah, let's go. Back from the Epic Mixer, and this is what we got. We got a little RLCS shirt. Let's see what the back looks like. Oh, like a little Octane. That's cute. And then we got a hat. Cool. Sticker. This might be a bandana, potentially. It's cool. And looks like a couple, like, keychain and a pin. Very nice. Good haul. The view from our B&B. Day 2 fit check. Look how cute this one is. We are heading out to the watch party, and obviously I gotta root for my boys, the mates. So yeah, see you guys there.
This is impossible.
You got a second.
Hurry! Yay! Guys, Bert won this for me in the claw machine.
I
She won so many things.
That too.
And he's stolen it.
It's snowing.
All the snow. Day 3 and officially the first audience day. Here is my outfit. I have to use a different mirror because the lighting in the other one is bad, but I've got a sweater, skirt, and some boots. They're pretty cute. But yeah, super excited. I can't wait. Let's go. Fit check. Makeup check. Bro.
Representing Europe, the class of Group D, with the green suits watching all around the world, give a warm welcome to Gentlemates! Representing the USA, they are the Rocket League champions of the world, NRG!
Veteran out there. He looks so cool, calm.
Guys, I'm fucking shaking after that. Pulling up to the casino.
The promised land.
The promised land. The vibes in here, insane. All right, guys, it is Championship Sunday, and I am wearing my Gentlemates jersey and a skirt. And oh, wait, hang on. Let me show you guys. This is the Champ Sunday fit. So excited to watch Gentlemates play. Let's go.
Green and RG.
We got
here in
the motherfucking
semifinals.
jersey
Make
on.
their best
We got that
football
thing
that
on.
they've looked
Come on,
for.
boys! Please get back, 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 please get back.
The 50.
Gentlemates know what it means to lift a major trophy. They know what this stage demands. But now 3 new names carry the banner. Oski, Archie, and Nas. There is nothing passive about the way they compete. A hunger to add another trophy to the Gentlemates legacy.
Moving it upfield, going for goal.
Potential has carried them this far, and now they have to prove that they can deliver. Time passes, dynasties are questioned, doubt grows louder. But with talent like this, the return to true form isn't just a possibility, it is inevitable. Team Vitality are here. A new dynasty is ready to be forged.
Vitality win! And they're true now. Only one team will stand here and lift that trophy. One team will emerge as Boston Major Champion. This is your grand final. Boston, Massachusetts, fire up and let's roll! Major Champion, Gentlemates!
Now, I need to know, I guess, at one point, because you talked about how incredible your teammates were, you also got to give yourself some credit, because you were looking super good. It takes 3 to win. But tell me, at what point did you realize these 2 were the ones that were going to let you be standing up here right now as a victor?
I think it's just who they are, man. Like, Nas is genuinely the nicest guy I've ever met in my life. And as a teammate, he's incredible. Archie is, I'd say, and that's an Archie, my top 3 teammates I've ever had. And Sasuke is the best coach I've ever had in the job.
Birthday to you, yay! We are in the heart of a storm right now. Trying to show you guys the snow. Everybody's flights on Monday got canceled because of this. So we are stuck here till Tuesday or Wednesday at the very least. But hey, more vacation for me. That last video you guys saw was at like 2 a.m. I'm gonna show you what it looks like outside right now. Dude. This is 9 a.m. on Monday. I was supposed to have my flight at 5 p.m. That's just not happening. You guys are doing great.
To be honest, did not know I had motion like
We just got recognized by our neighbors. Look at him lurking.
Yeah,
That was hilarious.
we caught.
We are racing apparently.
Dog, place it back.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my god, that was the slowest start I've seen in my life. Wow, Brian's actually kind of
Oh, they're going. Oh, they're going. Guys, we're on the rooftop. Look how pretty she is.
Probably joke.
Yeah, but it was just... Wait.
Oh shit. Oh shit.